Shetty, the Associate Principal of Don Bosco International School. This is the first year of International School for Don Bosco. The teacher has the complete liberty to take the class as and how she feels. Now, what goes on there is my observation. Then when they go into the classroom, I go in, I observe, I see what is happening over there. I give them feedback of what could have been better. Teachers and facilitators, I am not in a position to direct them or choreograph them as to what needs to be done.
I might like to do it later. I might just kind of go in and out. I don't think.
When we're talking about the various kinds of peer group and individual activities, that is taken care of. And the assessments are taken care of. We have a plenary after we conduct each class. So if they feel that something has not gone down well, they come and they immediately share it with me that okay, maybe the response of the children was not as expected, or this was a little difficult, can I do it another day because I feel, although it is not figuring in the lesson plan, my next day's plan is something else. But if I do this more, I think I can somewhere get them to understand it better. So then we are flexible, because she knows best. I cannot stick to the lesson plan saying, no, you have written that you're going to do an assessment, so you cannot do it. So that flexibility, how we do it, I leave it to the teachers. It is their discretion entirely, and I support them on that. The leadership management to ensure that you give them a platform where they are happy working the way they work best, and not really, breathe down their necks because I have to, have some standards and some people to answer to. So I think a happy lot is a better lot in terms of the quality of work. So if you give the teachers the freedom and believe in them, the quality you get is always better than what I decide for a lot of teachers. So believe in them. I think teachers don't go wrong, because if you have chosen them because they can do their job, trust them they can do